I hope you didn't tell your mama that things were going well. I hope you didn't blow money on a ring just to hear a no. Don't get cozy, 'cause she already told me that she might have been kissing on you, but she was still thinking about me. Her eyes were open wide, not even got a wink. She might have been loving on you, but she said she'd leave you for me. Said she wouldn't pack a bag, she'd just get up and leave.